English language and comprehension. 1. Voice. 2. Subject-verb agreement. 3. Vocabulary. 4. Verb. 5. Tenses. 6. Idioms and phrases. 7. Articles. 8. Comprehension. 9. Fill in the blanks. Zehntes Adverb. Zehntes Adverb. 11. Sentence rearrangement. 12. Unseen passages. 13. Antonyms. 14. Synonyms. 15 grammar. 16. Error correction. Hindi language and comprehension. एक संज्ञा एवं संज्ञा के भेद. 2 सर्वनाम एवं सर्वनाम के भेद. 3 विशेषण एवं विशेषण के भेद. 4 क्रिया एवं क्रिया के भेद. 5 संधि. 6 वाक्य निर्माण, सरल, संयुक्त एवं मिश्रित वाक्य. 7 पर्यायवाची, विपरीपार्थक, अनेकार्थक, समानार्थी शब्द. Arithmetic and numerical ability. 1. Simplification. 2. Tables and graphs. 3. Data interpretation. 4. Decimals. 5. Discount. 6. LCM and HCF. 7. Fractions. 8. Ratio and proportion. 9. Profit and loss. 10. Percentage. 11. Average. 12. Mensuration. 13. Time and work. 14. Simple and compound interest. 15. Time and distance. General awareness. 1. Current affairs, national and international. 2. Important events. 3. Indian history. 4. Indian economy. 5. Constitution. 6. Budget and 5-year plans. 7. Geography. 8. Science and technology. 9. Books and authors. 10. Art and culture. 11. Awards and honors. 12. Countries and capitals. 13. General polity. 14. Abbreviations. 15. Inventions and discoveries. 16. International and national organization. 10. Similarities and differences. 11. Verbal reasoning. 12. Logical problems. 13. Logical deduction. 14. Statement and conclusion. 15. Statement and argument. 16. Cause and effect. 17. Making judgments. 18. Visual memory.